What materials are the roadways in North America typically made of? A. Brick and stone. B. Asphalt and concrete. C. Gravel and dirt. D. Wood and sand. The correct answer is B. Asphalt and concrete. What is an important industry in Canada and USA due to large-scale cattle rearing? A. Meatpacking industry. B. Textile manufacturing. C. Electronics assembly. D. Automobile production. The correct answer is A. Meatpacking industry. Which statements from the list are presented as correct options? A. 1 and 3 are correct. B. 2 and 3 are correct. C. 1 and 2 are correct. D. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. The correct answer is C. 1 and 2 are correct. Which of the following hills are largely located along the border of India and Myanmar? A. Khasi Hills. B. Jantia Hills. C. Naga Hills. D. Garo Hills. The correct answer is C. Naga Hills. Which area in the North Sea is an important fishing ground in Europe? A. English Channel. B. Biscay Bay. C. Baltic Sea. D. Dogger Bank. The correct answer is D. Dogger Bank. What type of hazard is characterized by a significant expenditure of money and a long time for recovery? A. Human-made hazards. B. Socio-natural hazards. C. Hazards requiring recovery. D. Frequent hazards. The correct answer is C. Hazards requiring recovery. What is the term for tropical cyclones in the Philippines? A. Willy Willy. B. Coriolis. C. Tefu. D. Bagvios. The correct answer is D. Bagvios. What term refers to a person or group of people moving into a new country? A. Immigration. B. Resettlement. C. Emigration. D. Displacement. The correct answer is A. Immigration. Through which city does India's central meridian pass? A. Mirzapur. B. Cape Comorin. C. Kanyakumari. D. Jammu and Kashmir. The correct answer is A. Mirzapur. What geographic feature is dissected at many places by the Mahandi Delta? A. The Peninsular Plateau. B. The Eastern Ghats. C. The Western Ghats. D. The Himalayas. The correct answer is B. The Eastern Ghats. Which of the following is a district in Tamil Nadu mentioned in the text? A. Nagpattinam. B. Kadlur. C. Theni. D. All of the above. The correct answer is A. Nagpattinam. Which feature is represented by the color black on the map? A. Railway line. B. Road. C. Temple. D. Fort. The correct answer is A. Railway line. What is listed as a distinction from an estuary? A. Yardangs. B. Inselbergs. C. Spit. D. Delta. The correct answer is D. Delta. Where are the two cement units operated by Tansam located? A. Chennai and Coimbatore. B. Salem and Erode. C. Madurai and Trichy. D. Ariyalur and Alangulam. The correct answer is D. Ariyalur and Alangulam. What instrument is used to measure earthquakes? A. Hydrometer. B. Barometer. C. Seismograph. D. Telescope. The correct answer is C. Seismograph. Evapotranspiration is defined as the total loss of water from the earth through which to processes. A. Condensation and precipitation. B. Infiltration and runoff. C. Evaporation and transpiration. D. Percolation and condensation. The correct answer is C. Evaporation and transpiration. Was the Kailasnath temple built in Kanchipuram? A. Partially true. B. False. C. Cannot be determined. D. True. The correct answer is B. False. What is the relationship between agriculture and economic growth? A. There is a weak link. B. They are unrelated. C. Agriculture hinders economic growth. D. There is a strong link. The correct answer is D. There is a strong link. Compared to other countries of similar size, why does India have a great variety of soils? A. Extensive mining activities. B. Limited natural environments. C. Varied natural environments. D. Uniform climate patterns. The correct answer is C. Varied natural environments. What are the two main classifications of hazards mentioned in the text? A. Human-made and naturally occurring. B. Minor and major. C. Preventable and unpreventable. D. Local and global. The correct answer is A. Human-made and naturally occurring. Which unit focuses on the composition and structure of the atmosphere? A. Unit 4. B. Unit 3. C. Unit 2. D. Unit 1. The correct answer is B. Unit 3. What is an important aspect of population studies? A. Predicting political outcomes. B. Predicting population changes. C. Predicting technological advancements. D. Predicting economic stability. The correct answer is B. Predicting population changes. What area of continental shelves in Tamil Nadu favors coastal fishing? A. 10,000 sq.km. B. 906.9 kilometers. C. 50,000 sq.km. D. 41,412 sq.km. The correct answer is D. 41,412 sq.km. What type of factory is mentioned in relation to fire accidents? A. Textile factory. B. Cracker factory. C. Automobile factory. D. Chemical factory. The correct answer is B. Cracker factory. Which state accounts for approximately 50% of the sugar mills and sugar production in India? A. Karnataka. B. Maharashtra. C. Bihar. D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. Which type of natural vegetation is found in Europe? A. Savanna. B. Tropical evergreen forest. C. Desert. D. Taiga. The correct answer is D. Taiga. What type of forest is characterized by oak, laurel, amura, chestnut, and cinnamon trees? A. Tropical dry forests. B. Tropical deciduous forests. C. Mangrove forests. D. Mountain or montane forest. The correct answer is D. Mountain or montane forest. In which year did the Earth Summit related to sustainable development take place? A. 2002. Born in 1982. Circa 2012. D. 1992. The correct answer is D. 1992. Which body of water is mentioned in relation to the monsoon wind's origin? A. Arabian Sea. B. Red Sea. C. Mediterranean Sea. D. Bay of Bengal. The correct answer is A. Arabian Sea. Wild animals include which categories of vertebrates? A. Only fish and birds. B. Only mammals and reptiles. C. Amphibians and invertebrates. D. Fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. The correct answer is D. Fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. How did you score?